Oh, great. So with more and seamless, access to data, cloud data warehouses, do you see a change in how different teams across the organization are working together, like marketing, sales, operations, customer service? And do you have perhaps examples?
Yeah, we're definitely seeing a lot more collaboration between that data org, that operations org, and how that group is working across the company, kind of in a hub and spoke
Mhm.
model. I mean, if when I mentioned they kind of saw the future before we did, um, before marketing did, I think first they thought of how can I collect this in order to report on the performance, and now they have an opportunity to say, here's the performance of the company, but they can be a thought partner too. What if you use this to drive value? What if you use that to drive value? So one of our great customers, Indeed, we did a webinar with them, really, really forward thinking in terms of how they work with marketing, sales, and the data org. And what they're doing is making, well, first, they're fully bought in and making sure this data is accessible to all of their business counterparts, but also they're thinking about how can I create a shared language to work together successfully. And so they're doing things like making sure they have dictionaries of the data that's available, make it really easy to understand what fields exist, how you might use them, and then even working on secure permissions, not to lock people out, but actually to make sure that when they dig in, it's going to serve them well. So the obvious example is a data table is not ready, but make sure you use it only when it's ready. So things like that. And Indeed, the leaders on the marketing side and the data side are now so much closer because they see the opportunity of that collaboration actually driving the business together. So it's very, very cool.
That is awesome.